Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going through Cambridge Lower Secondary Checkpoint Mathematics Paper 1 from October 2022 series. This is the latest paper that was recently done. In the first video, we did question 1 to 11. This is the second part of this video. Here are the instructions. You can go through. We cannot use calculator in this because this is paper 1. You need to do all your calculations on your own. So let's start. Question number 12. Samira owns a bookshop. She makes money from cafe in the shop as well as from selling books. The bar chart shows Samira's profit between 2019 and 2021. So here is along x-axis we have years 2019, 2020 and 2021. So profit is this side. So here is the key. Cafe is like this gray colored and books are black colored shown here. Let's see the question. Is Samira says my total profits have increased between 2019 and 2021. She said total profit is increased. Write down other comment to describe how her profits have been changed between 2019 and 2020. If you look around carefully here, you see this is the section of books. And book section is decreasing, bar of this is decreasing, and for the cafe it is increasing. So we can say that the profit for from books is decreasing and profit from cafe is increasing. So we can say like her books profit is decreased and her cafe profit is increased every year. Okay, every year from 2019 to 2021. Question 13. Draw a ring around the fraction that is largest. So we have 4 fractions here, but they all look different. It will be easy to compare if we make the denominator same. So this denominator, highest denominator is 30. So we can multiply here, let's say by 3. This will become 30. So this is 21 over 30. This is 19 over 30 we have here. So times 2 here, 22 over 30. Then times 10 and times 10. Make sure that you do the multiplication to both numerator and denominator. Now which one is highest here? This 19, 21, 19, 22 and this one is highest, right? So that means this is going to be the highest fraction, that is 11 over 15, right? Now number 14, find the HCF, find at highest common factor, that is HCF of 39 and 52. So for HCF we take only the factors that divide both of them. So this is divisible by 13 only. 13 times 3, 13 times 4. These two cannot be divided. So the only HCF is 13. Now simplify this expression here. So we will combine the like terms m and m. So this is 3m plus 7m, that is 10m, right? So then combining this negative 8n plus 5n. Now you see this is negative, this is positive. So we will subtract 8 minus 5 is 3n, but we are going to take sign as negative because 8 is greater than 5. So this sign will be negative. So minus 3n. Right? Be careful about the signs. You need to take the sign of the greater number. Now expand the bracket. So this 4x we are going to multiply to both of them. First of all, 4 times 7 is 28. This is x times x is x squared. Then there is a negative sign. Then 4 times 3 is 12x. Right? Now work out 4.2 times 3. 3.6 plus 4.2 times 6.4. So if you do the calculations directly, then it's gonna be harder. So the thing is, you see here 4.2 is common, so we can take this out, 4.2. So now once 4.2 is gone out, inside we have here 3.6 plus 6.4. There is a multiplication sign, we will leave it as it is. 4.2 times 3.6 plus 6.4, this is 10, so times 10, so this is 420. There is one decimal place, so this is going to be 42. Okay. Now number 17, draw a line to match each calculation to its correct answer. So we are going to match this one. 3 times 1000, that is 3000, so 3000 is here. 3 divided by 10 power negative 2 is 1 over 100, so that means 3 times 100 over 1. You are going to change this division sign to multiplication, so this is 300, so 300 is here. Now 3 divided by 10 square means 100, so 3 over 100 is 0.03. 0.03 is here. Next is 3 times, this is 1 over 1000, right, because this is negative, so it will come down. So 0.003, 3 zeros and 3 decimal places, 0.003 goes up here. So now number 18, here is a sequence 7, 11, 15, 19 and 23. Find the nth term. So you see the second term that we are getting from the previous by adding 4 in here. So first term is 7 and common difference is 4. You know that the formula of nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is first term, which is 7 plus n minus 1, d is times 4. So 7 plus 4n minus 4. So 4n plus 3. So that is our nth term, 4n plus 3. Number 19, draw a ring around the number that is nearest to the value to the square root of 74. So now, because this is a paper without calculator, so we need to see the nearest number. So these ones, this is the square root of this. So square root is going to be the smaller number. So this and this cannot be the answer because they are bigger than 74. So 9 square is, if we take 9 square is 81. Right, and 8 square, I'm taking here 8 square is 64, right? So this 64 is far from this is 81. So difference between 74 and this one is 7 here, and for 64 the difference is 10. So this is not the answer, so now we have to choose out of these ones. So 8.1 was far away, 9 is there, so the best estimate is going to be 8.6 because that will be more than this, more than 8.1 and then less than 9. So 8.6 is the best estimate. Now number 20, a box of grapes costs $1.60. Work out the cost of 30 boxes. So one box is cost of one box is $1.60, and then cost of 30 boxes will be 1.60 times 30. Right, so we can just multiply 16 by 3. 16 by 3, 6 times 3, 18, 1. This is 48. So 48, then there are 2 zeros here. We will put 2 zeros and 2 decimal places. So decimal will come here. This is gone. So our final answer is going to be it is 48. Now question 21, write the missing index number in the box here. So index number, we are looking for this power here. So now if you see here, we can do here x power 7 times x power something equals to x power 8. If you multiply this that side, so this becomes power 4. So now x base is same, so we are going to add the powers. So this is a x power 12. So here we have x power something that we are looking for. So base is same, so 7 times what gives you 12. So that is 5. So 7 plus 5, so then exponents are same. So here we will have number 5 as an exponent. Question 22, Lily is trying to find out if boys and girls scored generally higher marks in test. She decides to find the mode, mean and the range for each. Here are the results for her calculations. This is mode for boys and mean for boys and girls, range for boys and girls. Put a tick next to the group with generally higher marks, boys and girls. Explain your answer. Now we need to look carefully. You see mode is higher for boys, mean is higher for girls, range is higher for boys. So that means if we look at the range, so boys marks are more wider, like there is a big difference in boys, but in girls is more consistent than as compared to boys. So we can tick girls here. So girls marks are generally high, can write down girls marks are generally higher because there is less variation, because there is less variation as we compare according to the range. Sorry. Now number 23, draw a ring around the incorrect statement. So there are 4 statements here, we need to see which one is incorrect. So here is x plus y minus 1 and minus m, x plus y minus m, this is correct. X plus a, so x, but here we have a negative. You see a is positive here, but here a is negative, so this statement is not correct. So we are going to put ring around this. So others t times m times c, this is correct because multiplication order doesn't matter, and v plus w plus v both divided by, this is also correct. Question 24, cylinder A has height of 10 centimeter. It is being filled with water. The graph shows how the height in centimeters of water in the cylinder changes with time in seconds as cylinder A is filled. So here is the height of the water that is being filled in cylinder. So the question is describe what the graph shows. Describe what the graph shows about the change in height of water after 2 seconds compared with before 2 seconds. First 2 seconds, you see it is being filled slowly and then it was filled faster. So we can say water filled more quickly. Water is filled more quickly as compared to the previous 2 minutes. As compared to the first 2 minutes. 2 seconds. Right? Now cylinder B is identical to cylinder A. This is cylinder B, which is similar to the other one, identical. Cylinder B is filled with water, so that height of water increases at constant rate. Now this is a constant rate of 1.25 centimeters per second. Show this information on the grid. So 1.25 centimeters per second. 1.25, this is 1.5 here, 1.25 will be somewhere here. So in per second, sorry, this is time here, 1 second is here, so 1.25 is somewhere here. So this is constant rate, so we can just draw a line. Let's see how it is filled. So going through this one, joining 0 here, like this. So this is for cylinder B. Okay. Before we start next question, I would request you guys to subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel, and if you are not subscribed yet, please do so. And thank you so much for those who have already subscribed and giving the support. So God bless you guys. So let's start. Number 25, a cyclist leaves home at 8:35. He travels 49 kilometers at an average speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Work out the time that he finishes his journey. So let's see. So here we have distance is 49 kilometers and the speed is equal to 14 kilometers per hour. So we are looking for time actually. So we know that speed is equal to distance over time. Then time will be distance over speed. So distance is 49 over speed is 14. So 7 times 7, 7 times 2, 7 over 2, that is 3.5 hours. So he starts from home at 8:35. 8:35 plus 3 hours and 3.5. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 3 hours and that is going to be 11:35 plus 30 more minutes. So that means 11, this 30, that will be 12:05, right? So now work out this. You see, this looks complicated, but once you do, we are going to use here BODMAS. So first of all, bracket inside, we have every calculation in the bracket. So we first of all we go from here. So we will solve multiplication inside the bracket. 23, 3 times 3 is 9, power 2, 23 minus 9 is 14, 14 square is 196, right? Now number 27, draw a ring around the two calculations that have answers smaller than 73. Now this is tricky question, but just of 1 mark. You need to think it, don't do the calculation, just think it here. So here 73, you're multiplying 73 by a smaller number, so it will be less than 73. Okay, and this here 73 times 15 over 2, so that means you're multiplying by a bigger number, so it will make it greater than 73. So we are looking for a ring, put ring around the two calculations that have answers smaller than. So one is this, smaller than. So next one here 73 times, this is going to be, it was, sorry, let me explain it well, divided by 49 over 100, right? So 73 times 100 over 49. 100 over 49 is also greater than 1. So that means you're multiplying greater than number. So this is also going to be greater than 73. So now this is 73 times 3 over 7 is smaller than 1. So this is going to be less than 73. So we have these two calculations. You see, you have not actually calculated, but looking at the multiplication and division, you can decide for it. Question 28, the diagram shows a scale drawing of the garden. You see the garden here. Scale is given to us. A shed is going to be put in the garden. It must be at least 15 meters away from side AB. and at least 20 meters away from tree marked T. So 1 centimeter scale is equal to 5 meters. So we are looking for 15 meters. So 15 meter is going to be times 3. So times 3 here also. So that means 3 centimeter. Okay, so 3 centimeter from AB. So we will mark here 3 centimeters from AB. This is AB. So here and this side also here. So now you join the line here. So this one is 3 centimeter. That means 15 meters away from AB, right? Then this one is done at least 20 meters away from tree marked T. So first of all, let's see, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters, and how much is 20 meters? This is times 4, right? So here will also be times 4, that is 4 centimeter from T. So as this is in the middle, so we have to draw an arc of 4 centimeters from point T, right? So we will take compass and take length of 4 centimeters from here. So this is 4. So place your needle at T and then draw an arc. So this is the restricted area. So that means this is restricted area, and shade the region. So we need to shade. So they can put shade anywhere in this region. Okay, that's it. I'll wait for your comments, guys, in the comment section about the video. Please do appreciation if you like the video and press the like button. If my videos are helping you, let me know so that I can think about other videos coming next. Okay, so question 29. The diagram shows a shape made of 5 identical cubes. On the grid, draw the elevation in the direction of the arrow. So if you look from the front, from this side, you will be having visible this and this square only. So that's how you are going to plot. You can choose any. So this top one, and then the next one here, and the front one. So this is how you are going to see the front view from this arrow. Okay. Question number 30. Here is a rectangle on the grid. So you can see rectangle, and there are 2 points A and B. The rectangle is rotated 90 degrees clockwise about vertex A. Work out the coordinates of image of vertex B. So we are rotating the shape actually 90 degrees clockwise. So let's use this tracing paper to trace the shape here. So this is our point A, this is point B. So we are rotating this about vertex A 90 degrees. 90 degrees is one rotation, 90 degree clockwise. So this is clockwise here. So you see your B point came over here. So we are looking for this point. The coordinate of vertex of B, if you go along this, x is 4 and y is negative 2. So answer is 4 and negative 2. Right? So it makes work easy when you use the tracing paper. Now question 31. I think this is the last question of this paper. So here we have A and B are two numbers where A is between 0 and 1, B is greater than. Take to show if your statement is true. So we can use example. Let's say B is equal to 2 and A is between this and this. I can 0 and 1. We can take it A as 1 over 2. Let's say A is 1 over 2 and B is 2. So A minus B. You see A minus B. Half minus 2. This is going to be negative, right? Because 2 is greater than half. This is negative. So he said less than 0. So that means this statement is true. Now A squared. A squared is half squared. Half square is half. This is greater than. So 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is less than 1 over 2 actually. So this is false. Then AB is our A is 1 over 2, B is 2. So this is equal to 1. So he said it's greater than 1, but it is not. So this is not true. And the last one we have B over A. B is 2 over A is half. So that means 2 times 2, that is 4 is greater than B. B was 2, so which is true. So this statement is true. So that's it for this paper. I hope you guys understood everything. If there is anything, let me know. I will wait for your comments, guys. Please let me know how you like the video and press the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So, and let me know what next video do you want. See you guys in the next video. God bless you.